All right guys, super easy design today. We are going to be using the new Kokoist color. We have 6 actually. One of them is called Ash Khaki, and that's the one I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using one of their latest releases, which is the Dramatic Magnet Gel, which is an outstanding magnetic gel. Basically, it already has color in it. You don't have to use color underneath. However, I used this one because I wanted a different kind of green. But as you can see, here we are, super fun. This is what we're getting to today. Hey there and welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Paola of paolaponcenails.com, your source for all things premium soft gels and entrepreneurship in the nail industry. If this sounds like a niche you'd like to continue growing in, then at the end of this video, do consider subscribing to this channel and our weekly newsletter. Let's begin. These gels already have color. The first layer, when you magnetize the product, you'll have like 2 layers. The first layer will give you a certain kind of color, as you can see, kind of like orangey, and then the bottom layer is going to be like green. And then what's really cool about this magnetic gel is that the magnetic particles are not dark or gray, so they actually don't show up in your gel. They basically pick up the color of whatever other color is in the gel, so they're like clear or light gray or something like that. Very cool. And I do recommend that in today's video, if you do practice on yourself, you use a high power magnet. Kokoist does sell this. So here are my nails. They've already been rebalanced, and yeah, as you can see, they still have a little bit of tinted base underneath. It's fine, I'm not gonna stress. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean these a little bit with alcohol. I shape them round. If you need help shaping your round nails, hey, we just did a video on that last week. You can check it out and you'll learn how to do that. By the way, if you need a whole masterclass on magnet gels, I have you covered, and it's free. I'll link that in the show notes or in the description box below to the video that I did really breaking down magnet gel and how it works. You'll still find yourself fiddling with it, but at least you'll have a concept, generic concept about how it works. All right, I'm gonna grab my designated brush for my color. I've assigned my Lily Gel Oval Plus. It's kind of thin, very thin, actually good for color. I like the ovalness also, so that it can give me good cuticle application. Now, I'm only going to be doing 1 coat of this color on all 5 fingers. If I can help you apply your potted soft gel better with precision, all step by step, I will encourage you to check out my free masterclass below. I'm going to tell you there why I really, for the last 6 years, been enjoying working with potted soft gel. It's such a luxurious experience for you and your clients. I really think it's like the highest level of luxury that you can offer in the salon. And it's also an enhancing product for natural nails. So if you want to specialize in structure overlays on natural nails, helping your clients grow their own natural nails, I do encourage you to start with my free masterclass and check out why potted soft gel is my jam and why I use it and continue to use it. But yeah, very pretty color. Again, these are now out. They've just been released. And you can shop 1 or all 6 colors. And for the magnet gel, there are 16 different shades of magnet gel, and each shade has at least 2 colors in it. So yeah, have fun. I swatched them for you. I'll post that swatch here. All right, I'm gonna continue putting on a solid coat of this on the rest of the fingers, and then I'll bring you back. All right, so here we are, fully cured. Again, 1 coat of that green. Some look a little more dense than others because of that pink coat or pink base that I had underneath. It doesn't bug me because I'm gonna come back with my magnet gel. I've already stuck a little stirring stick in here to stir the magnet particles. I recommend that you do that with all of your magnetic gel. Turn them over, give them a little twist. Bring them back up, let them self-level. And then when you apply your magnetic gel, here's a tip. you always want to apply it generously, okay? Do not apply your magnet gel in a thin coat because you're not going to have enough magnet particles in there to really move them around and see that nice shift. So again, this is number 6 from the new collection. And as you can see, it's super green. Real quick, before we continue, don't forget, this week, the Master Gelos course is opened up again for enrollment. The perks of joining us this season, within the next week, is that you get to go to a live Q&A session with me and your classmates. We all start the course at the same time, so you feel like you're part of a group and you're getting it done. A lot of people buy our Master Gelos course, which they have lifetime access to, and they kind of let it collect virtual nail dust, and improvement does not come, guys, if you don't practice. So that is why I really enjoy hosting these group live events. They only usually happen twice per year. The other incentive to joining us during this group class event into the Master Gelos course is that you get to turn in a portfolio. So if you're like, I don't know if I'm doing this right, well, submit your assignments. I'll personally take a look at them, give you some feedback, and you'll be on your merry way to create stunning overlays. So don't wait, because all of this bonus of joining us this season is going to go away really soon, within like 10 days. Sign up using the link below. Back to the video. It's got some gold hints, some pink in there. Pretty cool. Okay, so you have to do, another tip with your magnet gel, you have to do one nail at a time, okay? Because otherwise you're gonna activate another one while you're working on a certain one, okay? You can see me clear here. Here's our nail, here's how we're gonna activate it. We have our magnet. We're gonna push the particles in like this. When you see them, that means they're connecting. There we go. Now I got a hold of them, okay? Let me see if I can turn this light down a little bit. Okay, there we go. See them? The orange. You see how they shift? Okay, now I'm gonna do free edge. There it is, fully activated. Now it's a little bit more orange. And I'm gonna do the cuticle area. Now if they completely disappear, you can reactivate them by switching your magnet. There we go, now I have control over them, because I want more of a cuticle feel. Then I can turn my magnet to give them a little roundedness, okay? I want them to kind of wrap around like moons around my cuticle area. So by hitting all 4 sides with my magnet here, on the free edge, on the side, and on this side, again, I'm able to gather the particles in one place. Try to use the same side that you use. So if I use this side, I gotta turn it this way. And you do gotta pull over, like I'm out of the camera frame, you see that? Because if you come around with your magnet accidentally, it's gonna shift them. It's very powerful. Now if you get lost at some point, you're like, I don't know where my magnet is, what it's doing or whatnot, don't stress. You can start all over. You don't have to wipe it off, by the way. You don't have to wipe off the whole thing. All you have to do, you can reset it again with your magnet, or you can just brush on another little coat on there. Now when you're in the center like this and it's pushing it to the sides, you want to pick it up straight to get that cuticle effect. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'm going to go ahead and cure. So I'm going to briefly show you again what's happening with your gel. I'm going to do it without the magnet gel so it doesn't get too confusing. So you want to come in slightly at an angle. The angle is going to allow you to push the magnet particles up. Activate this side a little bit too. Sometimes it works flat too. It just depends on the curvature of the nail. If the nail is too flat, then going straight like this will help. do remember what side of the magnet you're using, because the magnet does switch, okay? So like you can, there's a side that repels, there's a side that attracts, and if you tap your magnet with another magnetic thing, then it's just going to reset it. So now the part that was repelling is now, you know, attracting, and vice versa, okay? So you want to do this side, bring it high up away from the nail so it doesn't move your particles. Do this side, bring it on the free edge, push them in, and then push them on the cuticle area also. And then sometimes you can use this part, like long ways, as a wand to push or create like a V shape here. And then you can use it as an angle like this to pull the magnet up to the cuticle area and then create that rounded cuticle area. Okay, let's try it again. And that's all you would do. You would then just do it on all the fingers and cure. So we're doing side, there it is, bring it away, side, and then you would just top coat the set, do it on the rest of your nails, and you're done. Easy. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video valuable, would you do me a favor and give it a thumbs up so that I may help more people? Do check out the description box below for any current resources and promo codes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.